Oh, it's a snowstorm of 2014, and Danielle wants to go to the store. Good job, Danielle.
But you're the one driving.
Yeah, I'm the one driving, because if you were driving, we wouldn't have gotten there.
Whatever, I drove.
You can't even see 3 feet in front of you.
Yes, you can.
Oh, yeah.
I see trees that are probably like a good 50 feet away.
Oh, okay, yeah. You can't see anything. We're the only idiots out on the road right now.
No, there's another car right over here.
Well, my friend, that person is an idiot also.
See? They're turning.
Yeah, they're turning, and we are going where? You can't see anything. I don't even know where the road's at. Should we do a donut?
No!
In the middle of this road?
No.
Okay, we just got done shopping. We made it. The store's completely empty, but Danielle's getting ready to drive. Help us all.
By the way, thanks for leaving the shopping cart that I couldn't push through the snow.
Sorry.
No, you're not.
Now you're driving.
I know.
Help us all, please. Look at this snow. You can't even see anything. Now I got a cough. Oh my god. Oh my god, we're sliding. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Slow down. Slow down. You're going 102.
30.
Oh my god. I'm so scared. Because you're driving. You're driving. I shouldn't probably pester you. You've been tanning. You're really tan.
I haven't been tanning for a while.
You're tan.
Well, I'm not a dog, no petty.
I didn't call you a dog.
No, you're petting me.
Aww.
I'm gonna punch you.
You're driving. In snowstorm. It's not gonna stop snowing. It's gonna snow forever.
How many places do you think is closed?
Every place in town's closed. We're the only idiots that are out on the road.
No, there's idiots in front of us, there's idiots behind us.
Maybe they're not idiots.
Well, maybe we're not idiots either.
Or maybe... I'm choking to... Oh my god. Look at that. Look at the little snow. Usually this road's pretty busy. Not today.
Guess what?
Oh my god, there's a plow. There's a plow.